Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're not going to talk about strategies, we're going to do a challenge. And today's challenge is field bets. And we're going to be focusing on this. On $25 table, I've got $500 laid out. That means that we're going to be able to place 20 bets. We're going to be able to see where we end up. So many times at the casino, I see people, that's all they play, is the field bet. Some rules around this. So it's up to you, and it'll be up to me, how I want to. I can press, I can parlay, I can regress, I can take down the field for a couple rolls. But it's up to me on how I want to play that. I've got 20, and I know that I've got 20 rolls here, $500 on a $25 table, and I'm going to see what happens. All right, let's pick up some dice, and we'll take that hard 4. And out of the gate, I'm just going to throw it out there. All right, 6. That's a loser. And 7. Didn't play the 7. I'm going to play this one. And 6 or 9. Sorry. 9 gets paid 1-to-1. We're going to press that up. And 4. 4's a winner. All right, we're going to take that and leave it at 25 and regress. I'll put the winnings right here in the hard 4 since that's the dice we started with. And 9. Just so I can calculate the rolls, if I leave it out there, I'll just move 1 from the stack. And 9 again. We're going to parlay. And 7. That's a loss. And 8 the hard way. And 8 the easy way. And 7. And 4 the hard way. And 5 no field. $11 yo. And 6 the hard way. Six the easy way. $11 yo. And 5. $8. $5. A lot of 5s tonight. And 2. That's a nice little hit. That pays double, but I'm going to parlay that 2. And 8, of course, parlays always lose. 7. 9. Let's play it now. And 3. Let's parlay. And 9. I'm going to parlay that. Let's go. And 9 again. It's a $100 win. I'll take that down fully. And 5. Eight. 7. I'll come down totally. And 2. And 5. A lot of 5s tonight. And 10. All right. $375, so we're down 125. Not terrible, but that's kind of what I would expect. So some things you want to do, we got the press up to $100 on the field bet. You probably want to avoid that because that would mean you'd have to win 1, 2, and then 3 in a row. With a field bet, there are only 16 ways to win, but there's 20 ways to lose. And the most frequent numbers, 5, 6, 7, 8, are missing. So that is your 20 ways to lose just by 5, 7, or 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks appetizing for a lot of people, and a lot of people get drawn into that. Look at all those numbers. 2 and 12. We didn't roll a single 12, but my table pays triple. So, yeah. Pretty good. And then, yep, so that's the challenge. Let me know in the comments if you like some of these challenges. I've got ideas around a bunch of different challenges. I've run a couple already. I've got a horn bet challenge. There's all sorts of stuff that I've got notes on to do. That's the thing. I'm very early in this channel. I haven't duplicated any content yet. Some of the content seems kind of repetitive to me because they're very similar. They have similar aspects. But I did research. There's over 3,000 named strategies. Will I ever get to that? Are there channels out there that get even close, like Color Up or Wayland's Way craps. I don't know. There is a lot. Wayland posts a lot. Color Up, they have a schedule kind of like I do. I work another job, 40 to 60 hours a week at that. So sometimes I've got to shoot multiple in a row and then schedule that out. So yeah, good. Let me know in the comments if you want some more challenges. There's plenty of those out there too. I want to appreciate everybody that's watching, and I'll see you on the field.